literally the best that I tried last year. So I had to drop this. Cuckoo. Bye 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 bye. Go over there and start using these. Hello guys, my name is Olivia Onwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I did this intro. I don't know why I stopped, but anyways. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2025 makeup favorite products. Maybe I shouldn't say it like that. 2025 favorite products, makeup edition. Yeah, that's going to be the title of this video. 2025 favorites makeup edition. I think for this video I'm going to start in order of how I do my makeup. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So first thing first, foundation. And my favorite foundation of 2025 was this one right here. Oh, absolutely. This one from Huda Beauty. I have it in the shade Mocha 500G, and this, it's called Easy Blur foundation. And when I say easy blur, it literally blurs your makeup. Like, it makes it feels like you have some kind of a filter going on. This product right here is the truth. And I also love it because it makes your makeup feel lightweight. It makes it feels like you have absolutely nothing on your face, like you have no foundation and just concealer and fake lashes going on. Obviously you're going to feel it when you have fake lashes on your face, and that is literally the only thing that I'm feeling right now on my face. So yeah, this is definitely my 2025 favorite foundation out there. Next to my step, I love to apply my concealer, and my favorite concealer of this year is the one from Too Faced, obviously, and it's this one right here. It's the Bon de Soleil Too Faced concealer in the shade Sand. This one, I use this shade right here to brighten up my under eye. And when I say that this concealer right here is the best out there, I didn't say one of the best, I said the best. This concealer is the best. It's literally on every girl's routine. Like, any girl that you see doing her makeup and she doesn't use this one right here, this particular concealer, I don't know, she might try other concealers, but I assure you she has this right here on her makeup table. She has this product, because this product right here, you cannot not buy it. Like, it conceals, it contours, it highlights, like, it does everything. You can use it to retouch your makeup. Like, this product right here is literally the truth. Best out there. Best. Now, the next product that I'm about to show you guys, I cannot finish this whole video without showing it to you guys, because it literally changed my makeup routine last year. Is this product right here from Huda Beauty. It's the Faux Filter Corrector in the shade Cherry Blossom. And this corrector right here, obviously corrector, you use it to correct your dark under eyes, but I don't use it for that. I use it to brighten up my under eyes. And ever since that I've been using this product, I feel like it literally changed the whole thing. And it's so lightweight. So like, I was kind of skeptical to add it to my routine. I was like, as a brown girl, as a brown skin girl, should I add this to my routine? Is it really worth it? I already have like 2 concealers that I use. I use the Too Faced concealer in the shade Mocha, and then I go in with the shade Sand. Do I really need this to my routine? Well, yes, because it literally changed the whole thing. Like, it makes it so smooth, brightens it up, like, game changer. However, the only thing that I don't like about this product is that the fact that it leaks a lot. Like, you guys can see it here. Like, I always have to go back in to clean it. Like, look at that. Like, you can literally see it. I always have to go back in to clean the product all the time so it doesn't look nasty. But like, that's the con about this product. Now, moving on. After I applied my concealer, obviously I love to apply my bronzer, and the bronzer that I fell in love with this year is this one from Essence Cosmetics. It's the Baby God Bronze. I use it in the shade 40 Hazelnut Hug, and when I say that this bronzer is the truth, it's literally the truth. Usually I don't go for stick products. I don't know why. Don't judge me. But like, this is the truth, and it's so affordable. Like, I fell in love with it so much that I had to purchase it Again, like, you guys, this literally shows that I'm not lying. Like, this product right here is the truth. It's affordable. You can get it anywhere, I feel like. So yeah, add this to your routine. Add this right here to your routine. Like, you can literally see how it gives me that sun kissed effect on my face, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful. Before this, I was using this one from Makeup by Mario, and like, you guys could literally see that I didn't get to finish it, because me personally, I love to finish my product before I purchase a new one. But this time around, I couldn't, because these were so good. This product right here, they were literally so good. They were literally the best that I tried last year. So I had to drop this, cuckoo, bye 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 bye, go over there and start using these. And this one is the second one. So yeah, that's how good it is. That's literally how good this product was, that I had to purchase 3 of them again. Next is the blush, and the blush that I loved this year is this one from Morphe. Is the Chic Trails Multiple Finish Face Trio blush in the shade Après Ski, the pink one. And let me show you guys something. I don't really need to say much, but like, yeah, that's how much I loved it last year. But this blush right here is the truth. I have it on, by the way. Like, look at it. Look at it. Like, superb. Superb. Did I say more? Gorgeous. However, one thing that I didn't like about this product is this one right here. I mean, it's some kind of a highlighter going on for the face. Or like, you apply the creamy one, then you apply the powdered version, and then you go in with the second one. I don't know. But like, I don't like it. I feel like it's too light for me. I don't like it. Let me apply it to show you guys. But like, I really don't. Let me show you guys a quick look of it. But like, this is what it looks like. I don't like it. I don't. Some people might like it, but I don't. This is what it looks like. So yeah, indeed is a highlighter, but like, I don't like it. I don't like the way, like, I don't. It's not for me. But however, this product is literally one of the best blush out there, and I also think that it's affordable. And this is a blush that you should go for if you're a beginner in makeup, because it has literally the creamy version and the powdered version. You basically have 3 products for cheaper price. So yeah, I'd rather buy this one. Now, moving on is the powder that I used to set my concealer. And the powder that I used to set my concealer is this one right here from Too Faced. Is the Bond This Way Soft Blur powder. And this powder right here was introduced to me by Uche Natori on TikTok. So her finishing her makeup to this powder right here, and I say, what is that? I love the outcome, so I had to rush to Sephora and purchase one of these. So yeah, that's exactly what I did, and I have no regret about this product, because look at how it literally mattifies my under eye. Look at it. Like, did I say more? Need I say more? No. Now, the next product that I also love to use to set my bronzer is this one from NYX. This beauty right here from NYX. I use it for multiple reasons. I use it to mattify my bronzer. I use it as an eyeshadow. I use it as a blush, and I also use it as, you know, an eyeshadow from my under eye. And I have it on, by the way, and you can literally see how it changes the whole look and brings out my eye. Gorgeous. I love it. And it's in the shade Better Than You. And yeah, Better Than You. Better Than You. So next product is another brand that I tried, and it's this eyeliner right here from Sephora. I never knew that Sephora were good with their products. I said, you know what? I was like, I really need a new eyeliner. I've tried the one from Fenty because here I live in Europe, by the way, and we don't have much options when it comes to, beauty brands like in US, UK, and so on. But like, I've tried the one from Rare Beauty, I've tried the one from Fenty Beauty. That's about it. And then I said, you know what? This time I've tried the one from NYX as well. So this time around, I was like, you know what? I need an affordable eyeliner that will last me long. And then I bought this one. I went to Sephora. It wasn't recommended to me, by the way. I went to Sephora. I tried the one from Sephora and I liked the way it looked. It was smart, super gorgeous, super sexy, and easy to use like this. Like, I love eyeliner packaging like this. So easy to use, so easy to, manipulate. So I said, you know what? Let me buy this one. So with that being said, you guys don't neglect Sephora products because they have some goodies. They really do. Another product that I love this year is this fake lashes that I bought myself from Shein. I have absolutely no details right now about these lashes, but I'm going to find it on my history purchase on Shein, and I'm going to leave it here for you guys to see, to screenshot, or maybe I'm going to write it on the description below. I don't know, but this is how they come. And like, I still have like 3 left, and I still have this to clean. So I think they're quite, no, I still have 4 left, and I still have these 2 to clean, and I think they are quite affordable and very gorgeous. So yeah. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment which product grabbed your attention, which one you didn't like, and which one you will be purchasing in the future. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Mwah.